The ACR7000 is available in both a 4-axis and an 8-axis version. Both have two Ethernet ports on there. It's powered off 24 volts, has 1 megabyte of memory available, so you can program uh, the Acrobasic 16 different programs. Um, you can have all 8 axes completely run separately, or you can have them all coordinated together. It does linear, circular, sinusoidal, helical, elliptical, splines, 3D arcs, uh, whatever you can dream up, the ACR can do it. Each axis, a closed loop PID, runs on 24 volts. Each axis can output a 5 volt step and direction signal or output a plus or minus 10 volt analog signal to a servo drive. It's 16-bit resolution. The 4 axis has 20 inputs and 4 outputs. The 8 axis has 40 inputs and 8 outputs. There's an optional analog input with 8 single-ended or 4 differential inputs. The encoder inputs are 20 megahertz post quadrature. You can configure them for SSI or quadrature. If the axis is a step and direction output, those encoder inputs are now step and direction outputs. There is a dedicated enable input, and pulling that will disable the drives. The communications is the same with Parker Motion Manager. The same COM ACR server used on this IPA or the servo or the stepper can also be used with the controller. Same Acrobasic programming as both CE and ROHS. The 4-axis is 65.1 millimeters wide, 174 millimeters tall, and 121 millimeters deep. The 8-axis is 101.6 millimeters wide. It's the same height and same depth as the 4-axis.